Let's take a moment and talk about how you sit at the piano. Every time you sit down, you need to review these things. How you sit actually can be evaluated by three things: your feet, your elbows, and your wrists. Okay. So sit on the front half of your chair or your bench and see if your feet can be flat on the floor. If they're flat in front of you, just try to stand and you're in a comfortable spot. All your weight is going through your tailbone. Now, let's talk about how far away you're supposed to be. This has to do with your elbows. You want your elbow just to be slightly in front of your body when you're at the piano, and you want to see if you can go way up with your left hand and way down with your right hand. If you lean at your waist, then you can reach everything. And if you're like this, you're too close, or like this, you're too far away. So just get that length from how far away you are at the piano. Okay. The next thing is your wrists, and this has to do with how high your bench is. Some piano benches are able to lift up and down, but most aren't. So let's talk about that. You want your wrist to be above the white keys. So if my fingertips are here on the white keys, my wrist is up above that. So let your elbows just hang loose and put your fingers on the white keys and make sure your wrist is straight across this way and above the white keys like that. Okay. One more thing I want to talk about is the shape of your hand at the piano. All you have to do is drop your hands down to your side and then lift them up with your thumbs up to the ceiling and turn them over. That's the shape. It's the same shape your hands are in when you're walking or even when you're sleeping. Just round shape like this. Your fingertip is round this way. All right, so see if you can place your hands on the piano and just have that nice round feel. Okay, so just to review, feet flat on the floor, sit on the front half, elbows slightly in front of your waist, and wrists up above the white keys.